everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 985 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm really excited about this Dollar Tree find. This is from the brand Hard Candy and it's the liquid eyeliner in the shade Night Sky, which looks like a glittery liquid eyeliner. And I am so excited that I found this at my Dollar Tree. So it cost only $1, and I think this is the first Hard Candy brand makeup product that I found at my Dollar Tree. And I had heard of other people finding Hard Candy products at their Dollar Tree, and I was always so jealous. And then I finally found some at my Dollar Tree. And it's just such a fun treasure hunt when I find new makeup products and new makeup brands at my Dollar Tree. It's seriously like one of my favorite things. This is the Walk the Line liquid eyeliner. Ultra fine brush, precise application, quick dry, long wearing. And it says they do not test on animals. All right, so, oh gosh, it kind of looks like the product has settled. Hopefully it's not dried out. Okay, it looks fine. It does look like they said a fine brush tip applicator. Here you can see what that looks like. I'm gonna do a little practice swatch. Oh wow, it comes off a lot more sheer than I was expecting. I might have to layer it up, but it looks kind of like a gray, maybe a hint of navy blue with glitter. Here you can kind of see how that's swatched. At my Dollar Tree, this was the only color that they had, but I was excited to see a sparkly liquid eyeliner. I think that's really fun, much more exciting than a classic black liquid eyeliner. So let's see how it looks. I'm gonna go ahead and align my upper lash line with it. Ooh, yeah, so as I run it across my lash line, it looks very transparent, so it barely shows up at all. I hope this will layer up because it's kind of like you put the product down and then as you draw the line, it just kind of moves any pigment that there was. Like maybe I have to mix it up a bit. Trying to like stir it in here. Well, maybe while I let this eye dry, I'll go ahead and line the other eye. The applicator is not too bad at all. Pretty easy to work with. Comfortable on the eye, like it's not poking at my eye at all. But yeah, if you do one application, it really doesn't do anything. Let me see if it dried down. Yeah, I mean, it did dry down in the swatch on my hand, and it's not fading, it's not rubbing off, so maybe I can layer it up on top of where it's already dried down. All right, well, that's not really showing up much either. Yeah, so looking at this, you'd be like, yeah, that's gonna be like a dark black liquid eyeliner, but if anything, it's a hint of gray and sparkle when it shows up on the eye. And it's not like I wanna be sitting here layering and layering up my liquid eyeliner. Like if it requires more than 2 coats, which this definitely does because 2 coats doesn't even look like anything, then I'm not going to consider it a good product at all because that's just unrealistic that I would ever apply multiple coats of a liquid eyeliner. Like, you can't even see that, and I have a lot on. Wow. So my first experience with a Hard Candy product that I was so excited about, I have to say, is a fail. Like, this really does nothing for me. I feel like I wasted $1 on this. So even though it's only $1, I still would say not worth it. Like, it just is so transparent, and it doesn't even really have enough glitter to really do much. But you know what this could be used for? Maybe it's not necessarily a waste of $1. This could be an eyeliner topper. So for a black liquid eyeliner, then top it with this to add some extra sparkle. That's what I think this should be used for. And in that case, I guess I'm okay with having this. Because I do have a lot of black liquid eyeliners thanks to Ipsy and BoxyCharm, and if I can just add some extra sparkle on top of it, it's going to make me so much more excited to wear black liquid eyeliner. So okay, I think we saved this product in my collection. I'm not going to get rid of this right away. I'm actually going to keep it for that purpose. But that's definitely not what I was expecting based off of how it was kind of described. But all right, liquid eyeliner topper. That's what I think this should be used for, and that's what I think this will be good for. Let me know in the comments down below if you have tried this out, what your thoughts are on it, what uses you have found for it. But as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.